In today's video I am going to share with you guys 5 top Redbubble selling products. Moreover guys, I also made my Instagram and Facebook group. Hit me up, like, follow my Instagram and also join the Facebook group if you guys want to take personal advice from me. So guys, go check it out in the description. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish. I have been in print on demand business more than a year. I have also made $12,000. I am here making print on demand for you guys in order to motivate you and give you the right tips and tricks. So guys, hit that subscribe button and like, comment is also appreciated. So let's get started. Number 1 Redbubble top selling product is sticker. Basically, stickers are the best selling product of the Redbubble. I personally also get a lot of sales on sticker. Moreover, my most of the sales are from the sticker or the sticker packs. You guys can also get your first sale if you're not getting your first sale by putting sticker or sticker packs on your front image, as it will impose the image to the customer that the product is low price, and he will just jump into your shop, and when he gets into your shop he will definitely going to buy something from you. If you guys want to sell more stickers, make sticker packs. And if you haven't seen my video on sticker packs, see up there. And the basic reason of making sticker pack is giving more value to their money to the customers. Whenever customer sees a sticker pack, he just thinks that the sticker packs are value to their money because he's getting more stickers in the same price as everybody is giving. So sticker packs get you more sales as it plays with the psychology of the customer. So guys, make sure to make sticker packs as well. The number second thing is greeting cards. You can also make a lot of greeting cards, as greeting cards are selling in a lot of amount. Moreover, greeting cards are selling more on occasions like Father's Days, Mother's Days, Christmas Days and all other days. You can make greeting cards and make a lot of sales. So guys, do make greeting cards, don't forget it. The number third top selling product of the Redbubble is mask. Mask has made a great impact all over the globe, and also in some countries I have heard the news that it is mandatory to have masks. So masks sells really well in the past 2020, and masks will sell more in the upcoming years or the days or the weeks. So make designs for the mask as well, as now it's a demand of the time. Number 4 top product of Redbubble which are selling most is the t-shirts. T-shirts are the hot selling products. Make designs for t-shirt, and I think all of you guys make designs for the t-shirt more. Make t-shirts with text-based designs or the graphic designs, and with both text-based and graphic designs, people love to buy the shirts with different slogans. So don't miss it out guys, make sure to make designs on shirts as well. Number last product which are selling insane, and more I think most of the people don't know about it, is A-line dresses. A-line dresses give me more profit margin than any other product, as I think it gives me a profit margin of $11 per product. Yeah, it's a great profit for me. Most of the people underestimate its speciality or its uniqueness. I have given the same advice to one of my friend, and I think he sold like 8 to 9 and more than that A-line dresses, and he sold all these A-line dresses back to back. I think a group of girls want to buy same A-line dress in some their functions. So guys, also make designs for A-line dresses, it is important. So this is it guys from my side. Make sure you subscribe and also like and comment is appreciated. Thank you guys for supporting me and getting me to the 64 subscribers, and keep supporting me guys. I will also make good content and will try to give you guys the more authentic and right tips and tricks that I have implemented and succeeded this way. So guys, this is it from my side. Have a good day. Cheers.